In this video, I'm gonna be sharing with you the entire process of packing your products to be ready to send to Amazon. Let's get straight in the video. What's up, you guys? Welcome back to another exciting video. As I said, today we're gonna go through the packing process for your items to be ready to send to Amazon. We've got a few products right there, if you can see them. Just a small order, just to show you guys how to pack your products and how to put them in the system. And every step we're gonna show it to you right now in this video, so make sure you stay tuned. Also guys, if you enjoy it, make sure you give the big thumbs up and also subscribe to the channel if you're new here. Welcome to the family. But with that being said, guys, I'm gonna film and then I'm gonna put a voiceover for you so you can understand the entire process. As I said, let's get straight in the video. So step number one, we're going to add the products inside Amazon. So this is Amazon Seller Central. As you can see, we also have the doll, which is from Disney. We got the barcode on the back, so we take that barcode and we're gonna put it into Amazon to find the exact product, so Amazon can match that product with our account. We go to inventory, manage inventory, add product. There's the button right there. This is the new interface, by the way, 2021. I'm gonna press add product, and then we input the barcode we have on the back, as you can see there in the right hand side corner. And we found it. There you go. We're going to click on it and check if this is the right one. Also on the right hand side, BuyBotPro will show up. It will show us the price at which it sells and how much we paid for it. You can also see the price already there because I input the price when I analyze the deal. If we scroll down, we can see the profit margin, the profit itself, how many units it sells per month, and BuyBotPro also shows us the stock for each one of the sellers on the listings. Meaning, because I was able to check the stock, I could make a judgment and price my product at a higher price because I know not many sellers have a lot of stock at a lower price. So we do that. We're going to input the price right here, and we also choose the condition, which is new, obviously, because we sell new products. And also make sure that this is selected. Amazon will fulfill for us. We don't want to fulfill it ourselves. And if you do want, make sure you select the other option. This is going to be the last step, guys. We're just gonna save and continue. Next page takes us to adding hazard details. Obviously there are no batteries. This is a doll, but if you have any, make sure you add the details here, and if it is made out of a hazardous material, make sure you add it here as well. Save and continue, and that is it, guys. That should be it for this product, and now just repeat for the other ones step by step. Step number two, guys, we're going to create the shipping plan. So we're back in the manage inventory section. We're going to select the products that we want to add to the shipping plan. This should be it for now. Click on options and click on send replenish inventory. Yes, we're gonna continue here because we know we're adding multiple products. We're gonna do individual products in one box because we're gonna mix them up. And also right here I covered it, but that should be your address where you're shipping those products from. So these are the products. We already know the total quantity of products we have, so we're gonna input it here, just so Amazon knows how many units we're going to send to their fulfillment center. Step by step, product by product. Make sure you get this right as well, because it's really important. You're gonna print your labels later on at the next step. That was it, guys. Let's press continue. This is the part where Amazon asks us if we want to prep our products, and if we do, who's gonna prep them. They already know that the plushies need to be covered with poly bags, so they are making us doing it. And we're gonna say no prep needed for the other ones, and we're gonna say that us, the sellers, will prep them. This is the step where we print the FN SKUs labels. So we're gonna click this, and these are our labels based on what we added as number for products and how many products we added. You can also see the name of the products and everything like that. As we're moving on, we're gonna print the labels, obviously. So this is the printer. You also got a link down below in the description for this laser printer, which is so quick. This is how it looks. This is a 27 up page. Step number 3, guys, we're going to polybag our products and bundle them if necessary. This is how to do it. You take the plush, you put in a poly bag. There are poly bags available in different dimensions. You can find all of these, the ones I use, 3 dimensions, down below in the description section. Remove the safety part and apply the sticky part. Also for bundling, we're going to use, for this example, 2 soaps as a bundle. You can bundle them in poly bags or bubble wrap as we did here. We just wanted them to be safe on the journey to the customer. We use tape to put it all together. Nice and easy. This should be pretty flexible for you as well. If you have bigger products, it's up to you what you use, poly bags or bubble wrap or whatever. You could also use a box if you think that is convenient for you. And that is it. Also, guys, because a lot of you asked me, I'm gonna show you how to use the glue gun, which basically removes the sticky part after you have removed the label that was already on the product. I wouldn't necessarily do it for this product, but just for demonstration purposes, we did it. Put a little bit of glue gun on the cloth and apply gently in circles, not too hard on it because you don't want to take the material off, and then clean off with another part of the cloth. And that's it. Now we're going to move on to the application of the labels, the ones we just printed. Nice and easy. That was one, and we're gonna repeat for the other ones as well. Just keep on doing, keep on going. Make sure you place the right one. It has happened before that we misplaced the label, so we had to print other ones. Just double check is best. There you have it, guys. That's right there as well. And for the last one for this series, and then we're going to apply for all of them. Obviously we're just showing you the demonstration part. That is it. Next up, we're going to create a list, guys. This is really important so you can keep track of what you're sending. So we got a date at the top and the box, and we're gonna put the box details in here for box number 1. This is how we do it, and maybe you would like to do it the same. That is the bottom of the box. We take the tape gun and we apply thoroughly on the bottom to make sure it stays there. We don't want our products to be damaged, right? Turning around, I'm gonna apply inside the box as well, just because these boxes that we have handles, and we don't want people putting their hands through our boxes. We want to minimize that. Also, these boxes, guys, you can find them in the description down below. Now we're going to add the products inside the carton. Obviously the arrangement will be different every time you do it. There you go. So I'm done with this one, and repeat for the other ones as well. Once done with the products, make sure your boxes are fully filled to minimize the damage to the products and to the boxes as well, because you want them to be sturdy and strong enough to resist dropping. We use something called brown paper to fill this. Next up, we're going to close the boxes, guys. Again with a tape gun, nice and easy. Make them strong. Again, products, you want them to be safe. Following, guys, we are going to weigh the boxes so we don't go over the 15 kilograms limit. Otherwise we would pay a higher fee for transport. As you can see, this is a small box. Probably you may want to weigh the box before you put the final tape on it on the top, so before you close it. We take the measurements, dimensions for the boxes, as we will need them later to input in Amazon, in Seller Central. We wrote everything down, nice and neat. We got the dimensions for the boxes, the weights, and also the number of the products in each box, which is really important. Next up, guys, we're going to work on the shipment plan. We got the boxes, the number, and where it goes. We're going to approve it. Really important, don't approve it before you packed everything. Maybe you want to make some changes. Next up, we're going to press on work on shipment. Standard UPS. UPS is really good, really efficient. That's why we use it. Now we're choosing 15 boxes, mixed them SKUs. We're gonna see how many cartons. Carton equals box, so it's the same thing. We're gonna put the dimensions for the boxes. As you can see, it's 2 layers because we have 2 different dimension sizes for the boxes. We got box 1 selected in that box with blue and box 2 selected there. We're gonna input the kilograms for each box as well, so you know from beginning which one's which. It's really important not to get them mixed up. Next up, because we had soaps, they have an expiration date, so we're gonna choose the expiration date we had on the products themselves. And we're going to add the number of units of each product in each box. That's why we wrote them nicely and neatly on a piece of paper. It's really important. We got a logbook, we keep everything we have in there, and sometimes we even review it if Amazon loses some of our stock or everything like that. It's really good to have it. Almost done with this one, and that is it, guys. You got the totals there, and confirm the carton details. Moving on to the delivery charges, Amazon is going to calculate it for us depending on what we have input. As you can see, you got a total figure right there, and we need to accept these charges as our account will be charged this amount, which is really good. We don't have to pay by a card. Now this is the way you will need to apply your carton labels. You can find it right here, side by side. One is for UPS and one is for Amazon. Now we're going to print those. This is how they look. Printing the carton labels. Last thing, we're going to apply the carton labels side by side as we saw in the tutorial on the screen in Seller Central. Left hand side for UPS, right hand side for Amazon's warehouse to know they are our products that are arriving in their fulfillment center. Last thing, guys, don't forget to book your UPS collection. We're on UPS website, ups.com. You just go to the shipping, book a collection, and just fill everything as normal. And that was it, guys. This is how you should prepare your products to be ready to send them to Amazon fulfillment centers. I hope you enjoyed it, and I hope you found it helpful. Don't forget that if you have any more questions, drop them down below in the comment section. Also, you can find me and other people in our Facebook group, guys. You need to join there as well. It is called Amazon's Champions, and I'm gonna drop a link down below in the description section. You got links for everything you need, including the boxes, the equipment that I used, my laptop, everything you need is going to be there as well for you guys, as well as BuyBotPro, which is the #1 software for online arbitrage, retail arbitrage, really good for product analysis. Make sure you get that one as well, link down below in the description section. And last but not least, guys, I want to remind you about my charity, to say of like that. I've got a Patreon account. You can find that in the description section as well. Right now it is just me and Valentin, one of the guys on this channel. Shout out to you, Valentin. What we do on this account, we gather money all together. At the end of the month, when the payment comes through, I will just donate all that money that we gathered to one charity of your choice. Make sure you join us there. It is only £10 a month. It's a small contribution, but it adds up if we bring a big number of people all together. So let's do that all together and help somebody. But with that being said, you guys, I hope you enjoyed the video again. Smash the like button, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.